What's the meaning of artistic director? Artistic director. Artistic director.
Artistic director. Artistic director. An artistic director is a person who oversees the artistic vision and direction of an organization, such as a theater or dance company. They are responsible for selecting plays, ballets, or other performances to be produced, hiring creative personnel such as directors and choreographers, and ensuring that the productions meet their artistic goals. The artistic director also works closely with the administrative team to ensure that productions are financially viable and marketed effectively. Basically, the artistic director is the creative leader who guides the artistic direction of the organization.